Welcome to ICICI Bank Mortgage Learning Series. Ever wondered what exactly are the tax benefits of availing a home loan? No? Let me take you through them. Deduction for interest paid on housing loan for under construction as well as ready-to-move property. Deduction on principal repayment. Deduction on stamp duty and registration charges paid. Let's understand the tax benefits offered on home loans better through an interaction between an ICICI banker and a customer who's just secured a home loan from ICICI Bank. Congratulations on securing your home loan, sir. I must tell you, you really made the whole loan availing process simple for me. Thank you, sir. I would like to ask if you are aware of the various tax benefits that you can claim. I'm aware of some benefits, but can you please explain in detail? Sure, sir. Let's understand the breakup of your EMI. It consists of principal repayment and interest. I'll show you how you can claim tax benefits on both these components. A deduction on the principal portion of the EMI paid for the year is allowed under Section 80C. The maximum amount that can be claimed is up to Rs 1.5 lakhs per year. The maximum deduction for interest paid on self-occupied house property is up to Rs 2 lakh every year under the Section 24B. Okay. Before I go further, are there any questions in your mind? Yes. Could I have some coffee? Sure. That's the simplest question I have had all day. Would I receive any benefit on stamp duty and registration charges too? Yes. A deduction for stamp duty and registration charges can also be claimed under Section 80C but within the overall limit of Rs 1.5 lakhs. Sounds interesting. Wow, the coffee is great. I'm glad you liked it. Haha. I'm sure there are no more deductions available. In fact, there are. The government offers another deduction under Section 80 EEA. And what's that? Under Section 80 EEA, in the latest budget, the Indian government has introduced an additional deduction on interest up to Rs 1.5 lakh for home buyers under the affordable category. You can also double your tax benefits if the loan is taken jointly, and the deductions discussed earlier can be claimed separately by both the applicants. Basically, a loan taken jointly with your family can help you claim a larger tax benefit. Right? Exactly, sir. Then it's time I start looking for a spouse. Unfortunately, that's one domain we can't help you out in. Anyway, I had no clue that I'll be able to save so much via tax benefits on the home loan. Thank you so much. Right. Let's now give you an overview of the tax deductions available on ICICI home loans. Tax deductions are offered under Section 80C on principal with the condition that the property should not be sold within 5 years of possession. On interest under Section 24B with the condition that loan must be taken for purchase or construction of a house and the construction must be completed within 5 years from the end of the financial year in which the loan was taken. On stamp duty under Section 80C, but it can be claimed only in the year in which these expenses are incurred. And a special tax waiver is offered on the interest of affordable properties under Section 80 EEA. Thank you for watching. For further details, please visit Mortgage Academy.